Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and let me show you how to apply dark dim. So at first open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. So if you wish to protect your eyes a bit, you can activate it right now by tapping on enable all day. Here you can personalize the color, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. Then you can switch it off, because you can also schedule eye comfort mode for a particular period of time. Let me apply it from 11 p.m. till 8 a.m. next day. So from now on, between those hours, eye comfort mode would be active. You can also activate flicker reduction here smoothly by using the switcher. So that's it, that will be all. To turn it all off, just make sure that every indicator is inactive. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.